फिर एक रिंकू मैम करके, रिंकू सिंह लिख देना। रिंकू सिंह
ओके।
और एक सिब्बी फटाफट लिख दो। रिंकू सिंह लिख दो आप।
एक तो जाज साहब को बुला लो।
आप नाम मैं लिख दूं?
हाँ जी हाँ जी। I request Chirayu Pandit to do the honors with memento. I request Rudresh Sharma to honor Mr. Jha with a shawl. I request Ankita Avasthi to do the honors with a memento to Mr. Jha. I request Rahul Shenani to do the honors to Mr. Yogi with a shawl. I request Vishal Nagode to do the honors with a memento to Mr. Yogi.
Hello, cheek. Hello, cheek.
I request Rudresh Sharma to do the honors with a...
Hello, cheek.
I request Rajesh Bhai Parikh to do the honors to Rinku Singh with the shawl.
Hello, cheek. Hello, cheek. Hello, cheek. Hello, cheek. Hello, cheek.
I request Kaustum Pandit to do the honors with a memento to Mr. Rinku Singh. I request Satyen Kulabkar to do the honors to Mr. Yogi with a shawl. I request Vipul Patel to do the honors with a memento to Mr. Saini. Thank you, Vipul. I request Chandrachur Singh to address the gathering. They are long awaiting to listen to you. Please, sir.
Thank you for the warm welcome that I've been given here today in the evening. It's a great honor, it's a great privilege to be here on this auspicious day during a festival. And I'm extremely happy to be here. I would also like to thank all the cooperation of the students who've been participating in our shoot. We couldn't have done it without you, so thank you so much for that. Yes. And as Mr. Chunawat kindly reminded me, my original reason for being here is to give a message to the audience, that's to the students. This is a very interesting time of your life, lots of possibilities are there. There's lots of pressure on you to perform, deliver, make your career paths. Somehow, because of the situation worldwide and more so in our country, I feel this title is apt, Yugantar. That means that there's going to be a change of time for the better. And I think the most important people, the heroes, the people who are going to be instrumental, young people with ideals, young people who are uncorrupted, young people who have, I believe this generation, you all are going to make the difference, and so it's up to you to make a new world for us now. And the great responsibility lies on your shoulders. And all the best for that. Look up to you guys, all the best.
Thank you, sir. We are really looking forward to Yugantar, and we also look forward to the media positively taking the entire youth of the nation in the direction of national service. Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor Chundawat to give the vote of thanks.
On behalf of the entire Yugantar team and MS University of Baroda, I very, very sincerely extend my thanks to Mr. Chandrachud Singh. He is in Baroda for last couple of days, and he is going to be here with us for a couple of more days in Baroda. But in spite of his very, very, very busy schedule, when we requested him that we are having this event in MS University, and when we requested him, very readily he agreed to remain present with us today evening, he and his entire team, Director Mr. Jha and others. So I very sincerely extend our thanks to them, and we hope and expect that in future also, whenever we'll invite them, they will come and grace the occasion. So once again, sir, we are very, very much thankful to you to remain present this evening. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The director of the movie for which the entire team is here, Palchin, I would request the director, Sudhanshu Shekhar Jha, to please address the gathering and brief us of.
Professor Chundawat, Chandrachud, senior professors who I can see in the crowd, and friends. It reminds me of my days in college about 25 years back. I have participated in many youth festivals. It was the time when I was a student, I had certain dreams. These are only those dreams which we are trying to fulfill, me and my entire team, the guys who are shooting with us today. For us, film is the medium of expression. All of you must find your own medium of expression. Youth festivals are the opportunities where you can interact, students, fellow students from various regions, different parts of the country, and they go a very long way in uniting the nation, creating a nation out of various different geographical boundaries. I extend my best wishes for a smooth and successful finish to this youth festival. Thank you very much. Thanks for inviting me.
Thank you, sir.